יאללה,
כאן?
כן. תבוא פה נמוך עם העשן. כן, ככה, נשאר. איזה. באמת? ברור. כולל יש תמונה לסמיילי גם. נגמר העשן נראה.
בכיתה? טוב, פנוי? בכיתה? a nosbit.
Mhm. חמש וחצי דקות.
So guys, this was flight number 2 of the Boomerang RC Ranger. And I'd like to walk you through the setup a little bit. You can see I'm using a thumb screw, so I don't have to use any tools on the canopy hatch. So, bone stock Boomerang RC Ranger, no modifications really to the kit. Very nice kit, very easy to build. It was built by David the magician here in Israel from Team Jet Israel. And I'm using a KingTech K85 G2 engine, and it's got a lot of push. You could tell in the video that it's got a lot of push. I've flown it now for around 5 minutes, and there's almost half of the fuel left, so there's a very good flight time. Speaking about the fuel, this is a double Kevlar tank from CM Jets, as you can see, custom made for fuel and smoke, custom made for the Ranger, and an FCT UAT, the only fuel system I ever use. Nothing comes close. Just close the valves. Around here you can see my secret weapon, the AR Smooth Flight 16. That's piloting all my aircraft, and the magnetic switch and LED on the side. KingTech fuel pump, all AR batteries. Check this out, it's a 3D printed tray to mount the batteries in the back. The Ranger really lightweight moved towards the back because the tail is very light. It's wood built up, so the batteries kind of just pop into place, and then there's a strap that holds them. If anybody needs this STL, by the way, to print their own, I have it, I designed it, and I'm happy to give it away. Then I'm using an FR Sky X20S transmitter with a Avionics telemetry. I hope you can see in the video. So you can see all the turbine data, and then on my other screen you can see all the battery data coming in from the AR Smooth Flight. And inside the model there's one TD R10, tandem R10 receiver, and one tandem MX, the micro receiver. One last thing to talk about, two last things to talk about. One's the servos. All servos are from AR 8433 servos, digital, high torque, high voltage. They work extremely well. And the last thing is the landing gear from JP, or maybe one more thing is the lights. Yeah, landing gear is from JP. The landing gear lights are my own, Avionics. And on the wingtips, on the wingtip pylons, you can see these are Sky Candy lights there on the tip tanks. Look at that. Second. So these are Sky Candy lights. Very, very bright. Probably the brightest in the business. So thanks to Salvador for sending these over. They sit very well in the Boomerang Ranger pylon tanks. So, Dudu. So thank you very much for watching. This is David, the builder. Say hello.
David the magician.
As always. See you guys at the field.